YouTube, and today we'll be visiting the Petro gas station that has a LaserWash touch-free. And that's where the LaserWash 4000 is. There's a huge line up here. It is located on Mulock Drive in Newmarket. So we're going to be waiting for a while. So shut the car down. So I guess it will be out there a while till we go through it. So for now, we will start it up again with closer. As you can see right here, there's a GO train right now. That's where the GO train goes to Toronto. And there it goes. Really interesting, but you can see one from here. So anyways, the car wash line has now moved up a little bit. So, and we're going to be waiting for an hour sitting here and doing nothing. So, you know what? I'm going to put it on time lapse to see how many minutes. Look, one of the guys are leaving the car wash because he's don't want to wait for an hour. So, I will put it on time lapse and see how it is. So, plans have changed. We are going to go home and come back here later with a shorter line because
they're not even moving.
We're not even moving. And look at this, a dually truck going through the car wash. I'm not sure that there's no dualies around with this bay. Anyways, he's really close up to the car wash. So, feels what it looks like.
Not even doing a thing in there, Tyler.
Yes, there is. Someone's going through the dryers. Anyways, we will come back here in a while. Guess what? This is the second bust. The car wash for the Keswick one is closed. And even if there's people going through it for some reason, don't hit it. Don't hit it, you're going to hit the curb. It is closed. You can't go through it, remember? I'm really confused right now. The car wash says it is closed, but even though there's people going through it. And this is a LaserWash 4000, similar to the one in Newmarket on Mulock Drive. We came here because we had to do some shopping at Walmart. So, and while we are here, we decided to check out this car wash. But we may not go through it due to its close. It's 7:39 p.m. right now at night. And for car wash, Arrow says it closed at 8 p.m. And it's not even 8 p.m. Oh, see, it's 7:40 right now. So, I'm not sure what the deal is here with this car wash. So hopefully I can visit the Alpha Petro Canada soon with a shorter line. This one also has a shorter line, only 3 cars. So I honestly someone's getting the try from right now, see? Well, I will start it up again as soon as we had a plan. Guess what? We're going through it. The guy's letting us going through it, even though it's closed for the night. See? There's a bay. And this is going to be a revisit. It's been a while, so we're going to be the last car going through it that night. There's a little bit of a line as always, and I will start it up again as soon as we get closer again. Well, I hope you enjoyed this time lapse. The guy's going through the dryers. She got the LaserWash. Tap the card. And we're also going to get the LaserWash. And there we go. We can put onto carriage, as always. Stop. Now let the wash begin. We are starting now with pre-soak, as always. A nice coating of pre-soak. We will use the labels to see what it's doing. And for some reason, it looks like they got a new arm. We can think the second coating of pre-soak. Also a nice coverage. Beginning for tri-foam. A nice coating of tri-foam. Now we're doing an empty pass. PDQ LaserWash 4000 usually do an empty pass for some reason. Now we're getting the high power rinse. Man, it smells good in here. And I learned yesterday for the touch-free car washes, Petro Canada has two systems. One is a PDQ system, and the second is a conveyor belt system. It is an arch rifle system. I learned that from CWL Roblox Mode. Thank you for letting me know, because I didn't know that. These systems are very rare to find, and they usually be found at the Petro Canada. So shout out to you. Now we get it for clear coat protective. Another pass. Now we can go ahead through the dryers. There we go. We have the dryer pulse from Superior Dryers, so let's see if we do a great job. The dryers are doing a great job. They are probably the best trials I ever saw. We put a little bit water on the windshield, but still doing a great job. I think there was 90 seconds of a trial time. Man, we have a close clearance on the left than the right. Seconds to go. Three, two, one. And we are done. And that's the Petro car wash in Keswick. Hopefully I can revisit the one in the market. So, thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this video. And that is it. And we will see you in the next one. Have a good day.